Hello everybody, and welcome back to Tech Idea. Here we make tutorials and topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other. And today I'm going to be talking about the Marvel Spider-Man Remastered that has came to PC, and all about its system, memory, and what you need to do in order to play, and all their minimum recommended settings. And in the minimum settings, it says you at least needs a Ryzen 3 1300X, 8 gigs of RAM, a 950 and 75 GB of free hardware space with a video RAM of at least 2 gigabytes. Now that is the minimum, but the recommended is Ryzen 5 1600 with 16 gigs of RAM, a 1060 or 580 with 75 free disk space, and dedicated RAM would be about 3 gigs. So these are just the minimum and recommended for playing on the lowest of the lowest settings. Now if we go here, as you can see, 720p 30 fps, 1080p 60 fps, 4K 1440, 4K. So over here it's a bit more in depth. As you can see, a 950 and an Intel Core i3 would, from the 4th generation, would get you about 30 fps in 720p. Now if you playing on this recommended settings, you can play it on 1080p 60 fps easily. There should be no hiccup, and it is 100% highly recommended that you use an SSD, as the game will stutter and lag due to world loading if you are using a slow hard disk. Now if you're using if you want to play it on the 4K 60 fps, you're gonna need a RTX 3070 with a Ryzen 5 3600, 16 gigs of RAM, and everything else is gonna be the same. Same goes for your 1440p at 16 fps. You just gotta upgrade your processor. Other than that, it's pretty much normal. And if you want to do 4K 60 fps, with ultimate ray tracing, very high setting, like max settings, you're gonna need the best of the best. And when I say the best of the best, it means a 3080 Ryzen 9 5900 or i7 12700K, 32 gigs of storage, and 32 gigs of RAM storage, and 75 gigs of SSD storage. With that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.